Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to the studio. It is my first time going to the studio. I'm going to record a song. I'm just going to record and take you guys through the whole process because I'm in Birmingham. I have to travel to Northampton because my friend is producing for me, so I'm going to his studio. And yeah, I'm actually so excited. So yeah, see you guys there. Guys, just an update. I'm literally walking right now to the studio in Northampton. I'm not gonna lie, my voice is like a bit scared. Don't want the pressure tonight. Just let a girl part of me never listens. She never rests. I keep coming to you.